Yeah, I think what SiteAware is doing for us is really just giving us um, the warm fuzzy feeling that our guys know exactly what to look for on the projects. It's helping them, I guess, get the expertise, out of a new person on site. It's really ramping up their skill set on a job. So there's a labor shortage out there. I know Austin, Texas, it's very difficult. Um, there's just so many projects that are happening right there. And so we're hiring younger and younger people, and expecting them to do what these seasoned pros can do, and and be able to manage that. Not only just manage and know what to look for, but to be able to manage their day and kind of um, make their time work on that day. So huge right there. I mean, risk isn't going away, and being able to quantify that risk by actually having the data on it is helpful to us, especially when we're comparing it to our subcontractors and able to see, who's performing better than others, and how that's going to affect who we build with in the future.